Hey there, pool enthusiasts! Ready for some fun in the sun? Today we're sharing essential tips to keep children safe from drowning in the swimming pool. Tip number 1, always supervise. Never leave children unattended in or near the water even for a moment. Tip number 2, install barriers. A fence around the pool with a self-closing, self-latching gate can prevent unsupervised access. Tip number 3, teach swimming skills. Enroll your children in swim lessons to build their confidence and ability in the water. Tip number 4, use life jackets. For younger children or those who aren't strong swimmers, life jackets can provide an extra layer of safety. Tip number 5, establish pool rules. Set clear rules like no running, no diving in shallow water, and always swim with a buddy. Tip number 6, learn CPR. Knowing how to perform CPR can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Tip number 7, be prepared for emergencies. Keep a phone nearby to call for help if needed. Remember, safety first means more fun for everyone. By following these tips, you can help ensure every pool day is a safe and enjoyable one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more safety tips and family fun ideas.